friends, greetings from the Philippines. We're in the island of Mindanao, specifically in Bukidnon. And what you're seeing right now is that we're on a secular campus, and the campus is called Central Mindanao University. And what you're seeing taking place here is actually the ending of a seminar that we've been doing for the past few days. And it's been such a rich blessing. Now, what we've been doing is in the morning, we're having revival meetings for the youth, who are predominantly Seventh-day Adventists. But through the workers, some of the workers here, Adventist workers, in the evenings, we're having meetings that is addressing specifically the community. And what we're doing is combining the gospel of health. And it's been such a rich blessing seeing so many people from this community and from the university come out to hear about the gospel of health. And the Lord has blessed that tremendously. Now, I also had the privilege of meeting the president of the university, and he had a birthday Sabbath morning. And we were able to go there very early in the morning with a group of the Adventists and many others here from the community. And I was able to share in his house something very, very special that was a blessing as well. Now, we have been tremendously blessed. Yesterday for Sabbath morning, this entire place was packed. I mean, even on the outskirts, there was hundreds of people here, and we made a strong appeal and we saw decisions being made for baptism. Now, one of the blessings to me is the choir. I tell you, my friends, the choir was absolutely amazing. When I say they took my mind to heavenly places, they literally did. It's not too often you hear a choir that's so well put together, so well organized with the right chemistry and the voices. I mean, it was just tremendous, amazing experience that we've had here. Now, what was the goal? The goal was to come here and to share with the gospel with as many people as possible. And I would say the goal has been accomplished. It's been a privilege working with my dear brother Rico Hill. Adam also shared some of the devotions here. We just had the final charge, and you can see as they're wrapping up, the people just talked about how much they have been blessed.
This youth camp meeting has been a blessing. I came here with Narlin Edwards of Red River Outpost, and we have been presenting messages during the day and in the evenings. Well, what I've been presenting is just dealing with some of the issues that confront them, faith, doubt, and belief, the direction for their lives. Lots of questions have come up, both in our Q&A sessions, but also just privately bringing me to the side, pulling me to the side and asking just about what is God's call for my life. And I think what Narlin and I both have been doing is sharing our own experiences, how God has led us, and weaving through that scripture and biographical stories, figures in the Bible, and how they have dealt with adversity and challenges. And I think especially as we share our own experiences, these have resonated. Thus far, it's been powerful. The reception has been incredible. The people here in the Philippines, especially the young people, they can't take enough pictures. So that's just been the way that it's been received as a blessing. And finally, I would say that we've also been blessed. The music has been tremendous. The food has been healthy and just, I go away, I thought I knew a lot of things, but here you experience fruit and dishes that you've never had before. And so that's been a blessing. Just the love from the people here is amazing. So my experience has been a tremendous one.
And I just want to express how much of a blessing it is. Ellen White says, I saw jets of light all around the world. Jesus says, and this gospel of the kingdom shall be preached in all the world for a witness unto all nations, and then shall the end come. We are privileged to be standing here in the Philippines and seeing that gospel being fulfilled. But for now, may God bless you, and may God keep you and cause His face to shine upon you. God bless you, my friends.